Hi, this is Brijesh Patel from Dinesh Chemicals. We are in chemical manufacturing since last 50 years. We have two manufacturing plant in Changodar and one manufacturing unit in Oilfield. We are into international market as well as into domestic market. We capture 40% of the sales is into international market, rest is into domestic market. Before using DataNote ERP, we were using Excel sheets and several other things to do marketing, which had a lot of unorganized and non-traceable kind of results. So we entered into the ERP with DataNote. Now we have an organized system for marketing. We have approximately 6 people working in market, in-house, and 2 people are working in field. So we get a comprehensive report on DataNote on monthly basis, quarterly basis, quotation generated and orders generated, the dispatch schedules, everything is now synchronized on a single platform. We have 3 companies, as I mentioned, Dinesh Chemicals, Associated Finechem and BCL India. All these companies are now being handled on a single platform, and I get my reports of all these 3 companies and 7 marketing people on a single screen, single dashboard. We are using DataNote since 1 year, and it took approximately 1.5 months to integrate entire our requirements. And in future we are now planning to add modules like dispatch, accounts, QC, and maybe soft floor in near future. Besides this, there are many requirements still which are being taken care of, and DataNote is helping us get new dashboard, new reports, and customizing the module as per requirement as per the time comes. I, Brijesh Patel, highly recommend DataNote to use for both industries, whether trading or manufacturing, and we are going very smooth with this system, which help us organize and track quotations and dispatch schedules. Thank you.